There was a time when Bodoland was known not for its dreams but for its divisions. Years of violence had wounded this land, fractured its people, and silenced its spirit. But in the last 4.5 years, a new Bodoland has emerged, one built on peace, unity, and inclusive governance. The guns have fallen silent. In their place rise the sounds of schools, farms, sports fields, and voices, united in the hope of a brighter future. Under the leadership of Honorable Chief Executive Member Shri Pramod Boro and the guidance and support of Honorable Chief Minister Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma, Poriborton, real change has reached every corner of BTR. From education to health, livelihoods to sports, infrastructure to land rights, the Bodoland territorial region is witnessing a transformation once thought unimaginable. The hosting of major sporting events such as the Bodoland CEM Cup 2025, Durand Cup, and Inter 6th Scheduled Premier League have shown national spotlight on BTR's immense sporting talents and reinforced peace in the region. At the heart of this progress lies Government of BTR's unwavering promise: peace, progress, inclusivity. And it is this commitment that resulted in the scripting of the BTR Community Vision document, a first-of-its-kind initiative that brought together 26 communities of BTR in a shared vision of unique aspirations and collective progress. What followed has been nothing short of historic, for the endeavor has become a Jan Andolan, a people's movement for a peaceful, united Bodoland. Today, on 6th July 2025, we build on the promise enshrined in the BTR Community Vision document and take yet another decisive step forward in this journey of transformation with Bodoland Speaks from vision to action. A platform to reflect, celebrate, and share the story of a region rising. Among the highlights of today's program is a truly unique contribution to cultural unity, the BTR Communication Bridge, a linguistic treasure. This resource captures 1001 words and 1001 sentences across 18 languages spoken in the region. It is not just a book, it is a bridge of understanding, a tool for empathy, and a celebration of BTR's incredible linguistic and cultural diversity. It empowers citizens to communicate across identities, fostering inclusion, respect, and mutual trust. Also being released today, Transforming Bodoland, a compelling chronicle on the region's evolution from conflict to constructive change. Looking Within, My Reflections, a personal account of Shri Pramod Boro on leadership, challenges, and hope. Annual Report of the Bodoland Happiness Mission 2024-25, mapping impact across education, health, livelihoods, and well-being. 3 key initiatives are also being launched today. The Bodoland Engaged Ethnography Initiative, documenting lived realities and cultural expressions of diverse communities. The Bodoland Migrant Women Livelihood Support Program, empowering returning women with skill and opportunity. A community interaction platform to engage literary organizations and local leaders in shaping BTR's cultural and developmental future. Today, Bodoland Speaks. With pride, with purpose, with one voice. From vision to action, this is the new Bodoland.